Greetings and welcome to all beloved viewers to my channel. In this lecture, we will understand the concept of similar triangle technique. In last lecture, I have made about similar triangle technique, that what is similar triangle technique, basic definition. In this lecture, we will solve a problem to determine the base length of one triangle. Here, two triangles are given. One has intensity of 15 unit and the second triangle has intensity of 20 unit, which intensity means perpendicular. So here we will find the base length of a triangle having intensity of 15 unit. So the total base length of both triangle is 10 unit. So we will use the concept of similar triangle technique to determine the unknown base length. This is a very basic problem of similar triangle technique. In shear force diagram and bending moment diagram, these similar triangle technique concepts are widely used to draw the shear force or bending moment diagram by area method. So here concentrate to till end. We will solve the base length of first triangle, which is symbolized by x. So by using the formula or definition of similar triangle technique, which is base of first triangle b1 divided by base of second triangle b2 will be equal to the perpendicular or intensity of first triangle divided by perpendicular of second triangle. Here b1 triangle having intensity of 15 feet at the base length is x. I considered this is a first triangle number 1, and the triangle having intensity of 20 feet and the base length is total is 10, so it will become 10 minus x. So if I subtract x from 10, so it will be become equal to the base length of second triangle. So remember this, total length is 10, and if I subtract x from 10, so the base length of second triangle will be equal to 10 minus x. So by using the formula of similar triangle technique, which is base of one triangle divided by base of second triangle is equal to perpendicular of one triangle divided by perpendicular of second triangle. You can also say that perpendicular means intensity. So we will substitute the given values in this formula. So instead of b1, we will use this distance, which is x unknown. We will find this distance. So x divided by b2 is the overall distance is 10. So the for second triangle, the base length will be equal to 10 minus x. Remember this is equal to p1 will be 15 perpendicular of first triangle divided by perpendicular of second triangle, which is 20. So this equation will be equal to x is x divided by 10 minus x is equal to 15 divided by 20. So I will write this in the form of equation. To form an equation, I will shift this 10 minus x to this side. So here it is in the form of divide. So if we replace this, we shift 10 minus x to the other side. So it will be become in the form of multiplication. So the new equation will be in this form. Here the new equation is x is equal to 15 divided by 20 into 10 minus x. So I will multiply 15 divided by 10. I will shift now this 20 to the other side and multiply 15 to the each factor. Each multiply by 15 into 10. Then I will multiply 15 into x. So I will shift this 20 in the other side. So it will be in the form of multiplication. So 20x will be equal to 20x is equal to 15 into 10 will become equal to 150 minus 15x. So here it is the new equation. So I will combine the terms of x to one side and the remaining constant to the other side. So here 20x here it is the minus sign, so it will move to the other side. It will become equal to the plus sign. So 20x plus 15x is equal to 150. So here it is the equation. Now it is very important that I will add this term, so then I will divide to the 150, so we will get the answer of base length of first triangle. So I will do calculation. So 20 plus 15 will be equal to 35. X is equal to 150. So I will solve the previous equation. Now here I will find the distance x, so I will divide by 35 both sides. So I will get x is equal to 150 divided by 35. So by dividing we will get the value of x. So by dividing, the value of x will be equal to 4.28. This is the answer of base length of first triangle. So by dividing 150 by 35, we will get the value of x, which is 4.28. Now we can also find the correct base length of second triangle by only subtracting this 4.28 by 10. So we will get the base length of second triangle. This is the use of and importance of similar triangle technique. We can find the base length and perpendicular. Also we can find the perpendicular intensities. So remember this is very important in civil engineering or mathematics subject, to draw the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. So by only use the basic definition of similar triangle technique, we can find the unknown distances or heights. So thanks to everyone.